Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're going to explore how ServiceNow's system UI is transforming the way organizations interact with their digital workflows. The title of our presentation is Understanding System UI in ServiceNow, Enhancing User Experience. Over the next few slides, we'll look at how these improvements create seamless experiences that boost productivity and increase user satisfaction. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at this comprehensive framework. It's designed to enable seamless data input, sophisticated visualization, and efficient workflow execution across the entire enterprise. Essentially, it helps different parts of the organization work together smoothly and effectively. Now, beyond just providing a simple visual display, the system UI is much more than that. It includes all the interactive components you see on the platform, like fields where you enter information, buttons you click, sections that organize content, and the layouts that bring everything together. These elements shape how information flows and how tasks are completed, making the user experience intuitive and efficient. The system UI is also the primary way users interact with ServiceNow. Whether it's through forms where data is entered, lists that display records, pages that organize information, or navigation elements that help you move around. These are all part of the system UI. Think of it as the critical bridge connecting users to the platform's powerful capabilities, ensuring that users can access and manipulate data easily and effectively. So, when we talk about what the system UI is in ServiceNow, we're referring to this foundational layer that defines how users engage with the platform on a day-to-day basis. It's central to creating a smooth, productive user experience that leverages all the platform's features. Let's walk through the key building blocks that make up effective user interfaces in ServiceNow. First, we have our strategic content structure. This is all about creating clarity, making sure users understand where they are and what they need to do, while also enhancing usability, so tasks are straightforward and intuitive. A well-designed structure guides users smoothly through even complex processes. Next, page layouts play a crucial role. They include interactive elements that can trigger workflows, automate certain actions, and help users take immediate steps without unnecessary delays. Think of these as the control points that keep the process flowing efficiently. Then we have buttons and actions. These are organized, often sortable views that display records. They come with filtering and searching capabilities, allowing users to quickly find the data they need. Speed and ease of access are essential here. Lastly, let's talk about lists and tables, along with form elements like text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down menus. These components facilitate intuitive data entry and validation. They make the process of input straightforward, reducing errors and ensuring data quality. All of these UI components, these building blocks, are fundamental to creating effective, user-friendly interfaces in ServiceNow. When combined thoughtfully, they guide users clearly, empower them to act immediately, and streamline complex workflows. Now, moving on to slide 4, let's focus on what really keeps the user experience smooth and consistent. First, the System Property toggle is a key feature that allows administrators to turn the next UI on or off, depending on how ready their organization is for the new interface. This provides flexibility and control during the rollout process. Next, it's important to highlight that the design is optimized for both desktop and mobile experiences. No matter what device users are on, they'll get a seamless, consistent functionality that feels natural and reliable. And finally, all of this ties back to our core focus on speed, accessibility standards, and visual consistency throughout the entire user journey. These elements work together to create a modern, efficient, and user-friendly platform that adapts to various needs and environments. Let's talk about how UI Builder enables your admins and developers to craft sophisticated user experiences without needing extensive coding expertise. It really lowers the barrier to creating custom solutions that meet your unique needs. This is what we call low-code power, giving you the flexibility to design rich, tailored interfaces efficiently. And it doesn't stop there. Full support for branding, custom styling, and accessibility standards means you can ensure your interfaces are not only functional, but also visually aligned with your organization's identity and inclusive for all users. Another key point is how UI Builder connects UI components with client scripts and business rules. This connection allows for dynamic functionality, making the user experience more responsive and intelligent without complicated coding. And the real game changer is the seamless integration this tool offers. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes creating pages and workspaces straightforward, empowering your teams to innovate quickly and easily. In short, UI Builder is all about empowering your teams to customize and extend your user interface, helping you deliver engaging, personalized experiences that truly resonate with your users. Now, let's look at how the Horizon design system truly enables collaboration between designers and developers. It allows both teams to work together seamlessly, creating interfaces that are not only intuitive, but also scalable, meaning they can grow and adapt as our organizational needs evolve. This collaborative framework is essential for building solutions that are both user-friendly and future-proof. Moving on, the system is designed to support next-generation AI-powered experiences. This means we can incorporate intelligent design components that handle complex enterprise workflows, making our applications smarter and more responsive. These advanced features help us stay ahead in delivering innovative solutions. Finally, the Horizon design system provides comprehensive guidelines and reusable UI patterns. These ensure consistency in both appearance and functionality across all ServiceNow applications and custom solutions. This consistency at scale is crucial because it helps maintain a cohesive user experience, no matter how many different products or solutions we develop. Altogether, these elements, collaboration, AI integration, and consistency, are what make the Horizon design system a powerful tool for creating unified, efficient, and scalable digital experiences. Let's take a look at this success story. Workspace apps have really transformed how we work by consolidating data, insights, and actions into a single unified location. This means that instead of juggling multiple screens and switching between different applications, users can access everything they need in one place. As a result, we've seen significant improvements in how quickly tasks are completed and in overall user satisfaction. Another key benefit is the mobile-friendly user interface, which supports working from anywhere at any time. Whether you're in the office, on the go, or working remotely, the platform is always available, 24/7, so you're never without access to your vital tools and information. Plus, personalized dashboards play a big role by surfacing relevant data instantly, so users don't waste time searching for what they need. This quicker access, about 3 times faster, helps streamline workflows and focus attention where it's most needed. And because everything is housed in a unified workspace, it reduces task switching, which means users can stay focused and work more efficiently. Overall, we've seen that these improvements can save around 40% of the time previously spent on repetitive or fragmented tasks. All these enhancements lead to real-world impacts, higher productivity, and greater user satisfaction. It's a clear demonstration of how consolidating tools and optimizing access can truly make a difference in everyday work. Now, let's look at how our system dramatically reduces manual errors and accelerates task completion. By automating routine processes, we not only improve accuracy, but also free up time for more strategic work. This ties directly into our goal of enhanced efficiency, enforcing data integrity and automating back-end processes seamlessly. Next, we have business rules. These are essential for adding real-time interactivity, like validating fields as users input data, or creating dynamic forms that adjust based on user actions. This ensures a smoother user experience and more reliable data collection. Moving on, our client scripts enable UI components, such as buttons and actions, to instantly trigger automated workflows. Think of it as giving users the power to initiate complex processes with a single click, making the interface more intuitive and responsive. Finally, the true strength of ServiceNow's system UI comes alive when we integrate it with automation capabilities. This combination allows us to create intelligent, responsive interfaces that proactively serve users, anticipating needs, reducing delays, and enhancing overall productivity. Overall, these features work together to create a seamless, efficient, and intelligent system that truly elevates how we work. As we look ahead, it's clear that the evolution of ServiceNow's UI is ongoing and driven by a combination of user feedback and new technology advances. This continuous innovation means we're constantly refining and enhancing the user experience to better meet real-world needs. One key focus is on inclusive design, ensuring that our interfaces are usable by everyone, regardless of their abilities. This emphasis on accessibility helps us create a more equitable platform that serves all users effectively. We're also seeing significant progress with no-code tools, making UI customization faster and more accessible. This empowers citizen developers and teams to tailor their experiences without needing deep technical skills, speeding up deployment and innovation. Additionally, AI capabilities are becoming more integrated, offering predictive analytics and guided experiences that can anticipate user needs. This not only streamlines workflows, but also makes interactions more intuitive and proactive. Overall, these trends highlight a future where ServiceNow's UI is more adaptable, inclusive, and intelligent, continuously evolving to meet the ever-changing landscape of user expectations and technological possibilities. Let's explore how ServiceNow's comprehensive UI tools and design systems can truly revolutionize your digital workflows. By leveraging these capabilities, you can create exceptional user experiences that are tailored to your organization's needs. Are you ready to transform your workflows? Strategic investment in UI design is key. It drives higher user adoption, boosts productivity, and enhances overall satisfaction across your enterprise. The Next Experience UI and UI Builder give you the flexibility to craft modern, customized interfaces that reflect your brand identity and meet your unique requirements. At the core, ServiceNow's system, UI acts as the gateway to powerful and efficient workflows, transforming how your organization operates in this digital age. To sum up, empowering users through a well-designed system UI enables smoother operations, better engagement, and ultimately, a more agile and responsive organization.